Pregnant woman taken out in downtown Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Traffic is being diverted from Orange Street in downtown Kingston following the murder of a pregnant woman a short while ago. The woman who worked at a liquor store was killed at the intersection of Heywood and Orange Street. She has been identified as 26-year-old Shanteva Griffiths. The police have not established a motive for the latest homicide. We'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.